Here I have the Logitech M185 wireless mouse. As you can see, here's the mouse in all its glory and the little USB nano connector. Here is the stats on the back. Nano receiver just works. Powered for a year with a battery. Reliability you can trust, your warranty. And it's from the mouse experts. So let's go ahead and crack into this. Here's the mouse. I think you gotta pull this little tab out of the back before you use it to activate the battery. Here's the back of the mouse, the on-off switch, the battery port, the light beam. Here's the nano connector in all its glory. And here's the little instruction guide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug her in and see how she goes. So here's how the Logitech works. It works really well. You can see it really works and all this other stuff. And then here's the mouse itself all hooked up. I'm not going to show you the plug because the plug is it's down in the back of the computer, and I really can't show you because it would be hard to pick up on the camera, but you guys get the idea. So thank you all for watching. Oh Jesus. Here I have the Logitech M185 wireless mouse. As you can see, here's the wireless mouse and the plug for it. Actually, they call it a nano. Oh, son of a bitch. Here I have the Logitech M185 wireless mouse. Really? 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 Like, seriously? Oh my god, cat. Oh, Jesus.